Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove malware on WordPress from Google first. Open Google Chrome and go to your extensions and delete any unnecessary extensions, as sometimes they may contain malware. Next, log into your WordPress and update all your themes and plugins to its latest version. And scan your site using trusted security plugin like Wordfence. And after running scan on Wordfence, it'll give you the location of malware if there are any, and you can just delete it on the cPanel. Finally, clear your browser, cache and cookies by going to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and delete all your cache and cookies and browsing data. Finally, restart your WordPress, and you have successfully removed malware from the Google Chrome WordPress. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.